I'm really sorry that my kitchen is a little bit messy. I don't live here all the time. Right now my husband is doing some aircrete work. We're gonna try to make like a aircrete dome type thing. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, right now we are on catchment water, so it has to rain and then we can get water and then we can wash our dishes and flush our toilet. And right now our catchment is empty, that's why I have dishes that are washed. Alright, let's make this. Making this. And this. Like this. Yeah, and thank you, Mama. Thank you, yeah. Wow, thank you. Thank you. Where you going, baby? Where you going? Alright, so we're just making some lunch, and I wanted to show you this really cool water thing that's right there. I think it's really, really cool. I want to show you. How cool this is, like, those are warmers. And I have updated fruit stash over here. With some lemons and bananas and avocados and olives and onions. I have some sweet potatoes down there. I love little toaster ovens. And I took cuttings of chives and I put them in this cup and they're like growing right there. And this is my little spice collection. That's all chia seeds right there. We got a crib there. That's where Vesu sleeps sometimes. Yeah. This is my daughter Empress. She's 5 months. She's waving. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. And this is Vesu. Alright, so. Cookies, biscuits. Alright, so I have a whole bunch of ingredients right here. Let's see my helper. My helper. Mm-hmm. We're gonna make a miso soup. Some noodles. Usually put in it, but we didn't have any. So I put Alpha's little grilled chicken. Alright, I'm just gonna cut this and put it in this pot right here. I'm also putting more mushrooms. And this is the miso paste I use. Also, a little bit of coconut oil at the bottom. Cook the vegetables first, and then add some water in the noodles. I'm gonna just cook the vegetables a little bit. Oh, I didn't find a cutting board. I need to be honest. Yeah.
Can you say beetle? Beetle.
You find matching ones?
Yeah, it is. Which one's match? Yeah, those do. What are these called? These stick bug. Stick bug.
So I made that soup. And Andrew really likes it. What do you think about that? How many cups have you had of that soup?